What's up guys, it's me Siddhant and I'm back with another video. This time in my video, as you might have seen from the title, I'm gonna be showing you how to put a GIF in your Google background and how to customize Google. So let's get started. So guys, your first step is to go to Google, open a new tab and go to images section. You'll see where my cursor is. I'll click on something images and under the Google logo there'll be a small text with images. So that's the first step which you need to do. So guys, the second step is to type whatever GIF you want. So I personally love Naruto, so I just wrote Naruto and you guys can see what happens next. So guys, the third step is to go to tools. You'll see where my cursor is. I click on tools, then I go a little to the left and under, and there's a section called type, and you click on type and there'll be a drop box, like a box will come, and you guys need to click on GIF or GIF. I don't know how you guys say it, but I like to personally call it a GIF, and you can search for whatever GIF you like. And I personally found out the GIF in which Naruto is using his stage mode and is rasing shuriken. If you're a Naruto fan, you would probably know what I'm talking about, but yeah. So guys, the fourth step is to right click and go to save image as, and after you click save image as, you do not change the text that comes to save the image with. You can, but I don't know what happens if you change it or not, but I recommend not changing the text, and then just add dot, like a full stop, and png. So you just need to add dot png after the text which you're saving the image or GIF or GIF with. And yeah, so guys, now you just open a new tab and you can see in the bottom right hand corner you can see like a option customize. So you just click on customize, and then after that, after clicking on customize, there will be a pop-up where you can choose pictures, or you can choose an option upload from device. So guys, you choose upload from device, and then you go and find the GIF that you saved or GIF, and then you choose that GIF and it will automatically be displayed on the screen behind the logo. And guys, that's pretty much it.